Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Building Construction. For more please subscribe my channel. Here plinth beam work is done. This is the plinth beam and here rod of columns are fixed. This is the truck of RMC. RMC had good and better material provide to us. And after plinth beam we have done here brick masonry work. This whole project comes under the building construction. Here come painting work and some engineers are also there. This is our project. For more information, subscribe and like. Please support guys. I will show you how civil engineering work is done.